visitor. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, before I get into this video and I'm long-winded, I just want to say happy holidays to you all. And I just want to go ahead and show you how to keep up with your braids for the longevity of it. I want to make sure that my scalp is being catered to while I have this protective styling for however long that I choose to do so. And so step one is to clarify. Use a clarifying shampoo. You want to take off all the oils and strip your hair of whatever needs to come out, so the debris and all those things. And then you want to go ahead and apply your oils. If you see that your hair is growing out and it's kind of putting a strain on your scalp, or your scalp is screaming, save me, save me, you can go ahead and tighten up your hair. So we're going to treat your braids, your box braids, as if it's locks, except we're not going to go through one time and then go through in a different angle, because that way, what if your hair does lock, you know what I mean? But thank God your hair is braided into 3 legs, whereas you can, once you take your braids out, it will be easy to take it out, okay? So because I want my braids to fall to the side or to the back, I'm gonna bring my needle through this way and make sure that my hair goes backwards. So you're just gonna bring it through and tighten it as such. So I'm gonna go in the same direction again, because I wanna make sure that in a month or 2 of wearing it for that long, that it does not knot on me. You want to insert the hook the same way each time you bring the hair through. That way, when you're ready to take it out, it won't be hard. It'll seem as if it's a 2-strand twist. You see? If you decide to put it this way, you can. As long as you keep the needle going in the same direction, that's all that matters. Go as tight as you can, just to give it a fresh look. So there you have it. I just want to come on here and show you how my braids would look if I was to keep it for another month or 2, so pushing 5 months. However, I do have to take my braids out and do my limb check, and I think I want to cut my hair off like probably this short. Don't kill me, don't come for me. I think it's time for a change. But yeah, so that's what I do. Just to recap, make sure that the needle is going in the same direction each time. And then when you're ready to take your hair out, let me show you what you do. You want to make sure that you put oil at the base and then put it on your fingertips and run it down your braid. And I'm just gonna find the ending of my natural hair. Ends right here. So I'm gonna cut right here. Like this. So this is where that white stuff is at. You just want to take it apart like that. The 2 legs that I said it would look like, and your hair should not lock on you. it out. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much once again. I look forward to making more videos for you this year in 2022. Thank you for being so patient. I've been diving into a few other things that I may introduce to you guys in like the next week or two. I don't know, crossing my fingers. But alright, thank you, gems. Bye.